Portland County, northwestern Shenango County, until 4:30 p.m. At 3:25 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Scott, or 14 miles north of Cortland, moving east at 40
Onondaga, Portland, Shenango County, I believe.
Source radar indicated.
Oh yeah, Binghamton issues impact-based warnings. And that's the new warning, I believe. I'm watching that sub.
Wind damaged roofs. Siding increases. This severe thunderstorm will be near Preble.
This frickin' site this week.
Truxton around 3:40 p.m. Fabius around 3:45 p.m. Color and Ryder around 3:50 p.m. Caryville around 4 o'clock p.m. Oxelic and Georgetown around 4:05 p.m. Morrisville, Lebanon, and Pierceville around 4:10 p.m. Hamilton, Earlville, and Paxport around 4:15 p.m. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. This thunderstorm is capable of producing all types of severe weather, including extremely large hail, destructive straight-line winds, and tornadoes. Move quickly to a safe shelter, such as an interior room, a bathroom or closet or basement. A tornado
Long storm.
is in effect until 11 o'clock p.m. for central New York.
Shower or thunderstorm possible. Low 72.
Here is the National Weather Service forecast for 0.